Perfect. So you are 8 days post-op today.
Yep.
You just got your splint off.
Yep.
How do you feel?
I feel amazing. It far surpassed my expectations.
Good.
Yes.
And was your second rhinoplasty, so you're a revision case.
Yep.
So before surgery, you're a little bit more nervous, I'm sure.
Yeah, there's a lot of, and understandably so, a lot of emotions and fears that go into going about it a second time over. You're scared that you're gonna get a similar result or even worse.
Right.
So I think that's why it's really, really important to do your research. I saw 3 other rhinoplasty specialists in addition to Dr. Dayan, and ultimately chose Dr. Dayan.
Nice. And I know that, did you feel that you could contact Dr. Dayan at any time and he was available to you? Or?
Absolutely, and I do also have to say, for you, Katie, if there was ever anything I needed, I mean, it was literally, I would send an email and I would get an email back. I mean, oftentimes within 2 minutes. If it wasn't within 2 minutes, it was, within a couple hours, and that was considered like a long time. So.
And Dr. Dayan, I know you spoke with him on the phone a couple of times.
Yeah,
just for random questions and stuff like that.
Yeah, so. Especially the week before surgery, I got nervous, just questioning everything, and I don't take surgery lightly. It is a major big deal, and Dr. Dayan called me twice to just make sure that I felt okay about everything and to talk about the specifics of the procedure and to make sure that we were on the same page with exactly what I wanted.
Good.
And he listened. I mean, he did exactly what we had talked about.
And you're only 1 week out, so you're, you're swollen, obviously, but swollen, not to the point where you wouldn't feel comfortable going to work or anything like that.
Going out tonight. I'm going to go out tonight. I'm going to have just a half a glass of wine. I'm not really supposed to drink after, but I think I deserve it.
Yes.
And yeah, I'm going out. I'm excited. Going to go shopping after this.
Good for you.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. Yeah. Because sometimes patients have these scary expectations of them. They're gonna either look exactly perfect when the splint comes off, or they're gonna look like, a cartoon character. So it's nice to get your perspective as somebody who's had a revision, which is obviously a more complicated surgery.
Right. I do think it is really, really important to do your research and know what to expect. So yes, I knew that when the splint came off that I would be very swollen, and I am very swollen. That being said, because I had those expectations, I could not be more thrilled with the results. I can tell already my profile is gorgeous. I never in my life dreamed that I would have this kind of profile. And I had suffered from a broken nose as a child. I was hit in the face with a baseball bat, and I finally got it right, Dr. Dayan. So
good. Yeah. Well, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.